Hey, today I'm drawing an old school vampire a la Bela Lugosi. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So this is one that I drew a while back, another doodle I did in ink and a little notepad, and I thought, again, hey, let's bring this one back. Let's bring it back into the fold and take another look at it and do it for real this time. And my thoughts on this was pretty much I'm going to do a kind of a comical Bela Lugosi kind of vampire. And so I tried to do the slick back hair and kind of the eyebrow thing going on. Kept it simple. The suit, the pentagram, or the pentacle, I think is what it's called. It has a circle around it. I just learned that. But I gave him this grayish blue kind of skin. Kept it kind of simple, kept it kind of flat. Not a whole lot going on here other than, it's a doodle. So hopefully this inspires you to kind of go out and do your own doodle. I've done a lot of vampires. This one just kind of, I really like this one. I mean, I don't know. I like the old Lugosi style, but I also like all the other versions as well too. So gave him the obligatory purple suit, green background, and here is the finished product. Comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you.